Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how to make a circle in Scratch. So first we will click on the events block. Then we will bring when flag clicked in the scripts area. Okay. We will just drag and drop. After we put when flag clicked, then we will go on pen block. Okay. So how you can add pen block, like by default you will not find it on the screen. So if you don't find it, just click on this add extension, and when you click on add extension you will find the pen block here. So you'll just click it and you will find it here, right? Now here there is one option called pen down. So you will uh, bring pen down over here. Now go to control block. Under control block, there is a repeat command, right? So instead of 10, we will type here 360. Okay. Now we will go to motion again. Change this 10 to 1. Okay. Move one step. So bring it under repeat 360. And then there is one turn right 15 degree. This you will change to 1 as well, right? Now both move is also one step and turn right is also one step. Okay. So you saw now when first is when flag clicked, then pen down, then repeat 360, move one steps, turn right 1 degree. Now let us click on the green flag and let's see if the sprite is able to create a square. Now see the your sprite is moving on the stage and it is making a circle, right? Now see, it completed the circle. Again, let us see it once again. We clicked on the green flag and the sprite is moving on the stage and it is drawing a circle for us. Yes. So we saw how easy is it to make a circle with this script. Thank you.